Our thoughts and prayers, of course, go out to everyone recovering from Hurricane Irma. I'm Jeff Huffman from the Storm Center. I just want to give you an overview of the forecast across the state. Wednesday, some showers and thunderstorms possible up in the Suwannee River Valley, up near Lake City and Jacksonville. Nothing widespread. Generally nice weather across the central part of the state. Of course, hot. So be sure to drink lots of water if you can and stay cool if you can. I know it's a rough road ahead for South Florida. Thankfully, not a lot of thunderstorm activity in the area. There'll be a few more cells pushing on shore with that Atlantic sea breeze on Thursday. And I am going to watch this disturbance over the Gulf. It won't become anything tropical, but it could spread some cloud cover across the state by Friday and some additional rain chances as well. And that would be welcome news. As far as the stats go, here's kind of a recap of Hurricane Irma. Its size, it had tropical storm force winds as wide as 415 miles, hurricane force 80 miles from the center when it was in South Florida. It peaked at 185. That's tied for third all-time in the Atlantic, the entire Atlantic basin. And its stamina is what's most memorable to me. It was a Cat 5 for 75 hours, second all-time on the accumulated cyclone energy index. And look at how wide those winds were. Its hurricane force wind field covering most of South Florida as a Category 3 at landfall in Naples and a Category 4 when it hit Key West. And there's a wider look at the storm. Look at how many hours in a row it was a Cat 5 through the Caribbean. Of course, the unfortunate landfall on the northern islands there of the Lesser Antilles. Back to home here with the peak wind gusts across the state. 142 in Naples, 130 in Marco Island, Key Biscayne about 93. Look at that, Jupiter so far from the center still had a wind gust of 77 miles per hour. And here are your top 10 rainfall numbers at the significant cities, at the big cities. 21.65 in Fort Pierce, just incredible. Orange Park 14.2, and it's notable that Gainesville now is likely going to break a record all-time rainfall amount for the entire year, already number one at this point in the year, and Villages even had 10.87 inches. Many of you wondering about Jose. Well, no way, Jose. The storm is likely going to stay out to sea, even though it is a formidable one. It is forecast to make the recurve there, possibly affecting Bermuda, and there will be a large ocean swell heading into the Atlantic coast, but no direct impacts from Jose. Remember, we're only about halfway through the hurricane season. Here's your updated list. As of now, we've had 3 major hurricanes in a row there. The next one would be Lee when it develops.